School before MTSS versus school now. In the 1970s, when I was in elementary school, I was a talkative child and I was reprimanded, labeled, humiliated in front of my peers. I was forced into isolation. They placed me behind a carrel where I would do work independently while other students were having group work and read alouds. I would be behind the carrel. There was lots of parent communication about my lack of respect and inability to manage my behavior. But now with MTSS, we have a method of providing targeted supports to struggling students. We can intervene early so that students can catch up with their peers, and also we can screen students and address any academic or behavioral challenges. Using a continuum of support, we can make life better at school for talkative students by establishing clear expectations and clear norms in the classroom, by using the system of supports that's available to us, including counselors, school psych, SAI, and of course administration. And then also relying on the continuum of supports. So, for example, a universal support would be teaching the behavior or desired skill, a social skill, to the entire classroom. I feel like supplemental support would be something like teacher proximity or preferential seating for chatty students. And then finally, there would be an intensified support where maybe there was a behavior plan put in place for the student instead of being humiliated and isolated.